Hey, what's up YouTube? This is the iPhone Helper. Today I'm going to be doing a quick video review on a really cool app called Text Now. What Text Now does is basically what the title of it is. It allows you to text freely, unlimitedly, throughout the entire US, and there is also a way you can enable voice calling on it, which basically allows you to make free phone calls from it. So let's get started. So first, the application itself looks like that. Text Now. And then, so let's open it up. And, oops. So it takes a little second to load up, but the only reason for that is because it has so many features in it. So as you can see, I have two brand new texts. Let's go here. I texted, hi, hey, what's up? What it basically allows you can do is you can see it displays all of your recent text messages. Up in the corner you have an edit where you can delete your text if you want. You can, up in the other corner, you can compose a message. On the bottom you have your settings, a little app button, the Netflix store, shopping cart, and reset or reload. At the top you can see there's a message and phone option. I'm going to get a little bit into that a little bit later, but so first of all, to text, what you do is you just compose a message. You can enter either a phone number or your contact, and then you can just start typing randomly, or not randomly. You can just type in a little text bar and start typing. You can add a picture, a little emoticon, or you can add a picture, take a picture. You can send it, stuff like that. That's pretty much the texting. Not that it's very great, not that complex, very simple. So first of all, in the bottom we have your settings, which you can set your alert sound, your wallpaper, color scheme, signature, allow landscape, emoticons, share on Twitter, stuff like that. Another thing about the texting is that you're able to add little backgrounds to your texting, which the iPhone 4, or iPhone for that matter, does not allow you to do. Another thing that you can do, which I find really helpful, is you're able to switch between contacts just by sliding. So you can see I go to Josh to Aspen. Josh, Aspen. So yeah, that's pretty cool. The at is basically just your information, not going to show that. The shopping cart is where you are able to enable voice, get calling minutes, remove advertising, and stuff like that. As you can see, I have 171 credits. That's pretty much a lot because it takes a while to get up. Not a while, but it's just great to have a lot because what you can do is you can earn credits. Right now, there's none because I've just already done mine for today. But every day you'll have a couple new ones that you just download, install them, and open them up, and they will automatically give you a couple points. And once you are rewarded the points, you can feel free to delete them if you want. You can keep them or whatever. Now, once you have a good amount of points, you can get Text Now Voice, which allows you to turn your iPod Touch into a phone. I would recommend this to the iPod Touch 4 users. This also works with the iPhone 4 or iPhone 3G, 3GS, or any iPhone. But I would recommend this to the iPod Touch 4th generation just because it has the built-in microphone. You can use it on older generation iPod Touches, however, you would just have to use your microphone. So as you can see down here, we have for 1 month of text voice, you pay 30 credits, and you can redeem them. You can get 1 full year, which is 300 credits, which it sounds like a lot, but if you add them up, it's actually saving you. Or you can just pay for it, which for 1 month is $2.99, or for 1 year you get $29.99. Which, if you did want to pay for it, what it does is it goes through your iTunes account. So if you bought an iTunes card and you send it to your account, it will automatically just take away the amount from your iTunes account and it will buy it from there. So that's that. Now, once you have, let's say you do have the text now voice enabled now, you will have these two little things up here, messaging and voice, phone, right up there. Whoops. So let's say you switch over to the phone, and then you get a really simple keypad. You have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 pound and star button, the add contact, you have the call button and the backspace, or add contact. So all you do is just call like 9. Here, I'm just gonna call this number because this number is no longer in service. And once you call it, you get a screen similar to the iPhone 4. You have the mute, speaker, hold, keypad, and end call. So as you can see, that number is no longer in service. That's basically that. And what's great about this is that you are able to receive calls, make calls going out. You are able to set up a voicemail, or you are able to forward your call messaging to your actual phone. So that's pretty cool. And the only downside to this is if you are using the iPod Touch, you do have to be in a Wi-Fi hotspot to do this. But there's always Wi-Fi and everywhere. Just the other day I was at the beach and there was Wi-Fi out there. So you can usually find Wi-Fi anywhere. So anyway, yeah, that's basically the app. Rate, comment, subscribe, and I will be making a couple other videos really shortly. So later.